physics unit 3rd nuclear properties. Similar to electronics system, nucleus is also quantum based system. Nucleus with lowest energy state is said to be in ground state, which is natural state of any nucleus. There are two types of property of regarding nucleus. Static property. The property of nucleus in its ground state is called static state property. Example: mass, nuclear size, volume, density, spin, etc. Dynamic property. The property which are usually concerned with radioactive, nuclear disintegration, by which one's nucleus system is converted into another nucleus system, is called dynamic property. Nucleus constitution. Neutrons and protons are basic building block of any nucleus. Their particles are arranged in very short volume and in short range of attractive nuclear force. Neutron is chargeless particle have either proton have one unit charge, positive charge, same as electron minus in magnitude. Therefore, the nucleus is also a charged system due to protons. The number of protons in any nucleus is the atomic number of that nucleus. Protons and neutrons are very similar according to their masses. मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स यम सफिक्स में पी बराबर 1.672 × 10⁻27 kg. मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स यम सफिक्स में एन बराबर 1.675 × 10⁻27 kg. बाइंडिंग एनर्जी न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एनी एटम कंसिस्ट जेड प्रोटॉन्स एंड A-Z neutrons and represented by Z(a), where A is the mass of number. If the mass of given nucleus is m Z, A, then it is found that m Z, A is different from sum of masses of Z protons and A-Z neutrons individually. Corresponding to this mass difference, the binding energy BE बराबर Z सफिक्स में MP प्लस A-Z सफिक्स में M सफिक्स में N C² माइनस M Z, A C². Here the binding energy is required to bind the individual number particle to form amount of nucleus. If this binding energy is given to any nucleus, then the nucleus will be split into their individual particles. Binding energy is measurement of stability of any nucleus. Hence, large binding energy indicate that the concerning nucleus is more stable. Mass of defeat and packing factor. Mass defeat is defined as the masses of individual particles of nucleus to the mass of nucleus. Let Z x के खाते A is a nucleus in which Z is the number of protons, A-Z is the number of neutrons. Then the sum of individual particle masses Z सफिक्स में MP plus A-Z M suffix में N the mass of nucleus is M Z minus A. Then the mass is defected. Del M बराबर में Z M suffix में C plus A minus Z M M suffix में N is minus M में Z minus A. The energy corresponding to mass defeat is called binding energy. B E बराबर del M suffix में 0 C². Binding energy बराबर M C². The mass of per unit constitution particles is called the packing factor. या बराबर del M बटा के A. Nuclear size. Nuclear size is estimated is term of nucleus radius given by R बराबर R0 एक खाते 1/2 here R0 बराबर कांस्टेंट, A बराबर मास नंबर. The nuclear volume depended on mass number of that nucleus. So 4/3 pi r square अल्फा a 4/3 pi r क्यूब बराबर k a r क्यूब बराबर k बटा के 4/3 पाई फिर ऊपर a आर क्यू बराबर 3k बटा के 4 पाई ए आर क्यू बराबर r0 क्यू ए आर बराबर r0 एक पावर 1/3 nuclear spin. Nuclear constitutes protons and neutrons which have orbital angular momentum. It is also have spin angular momentum about its center. Therefore, total spin of the nucleus is the vector sum of spin angular momentum and orbital angular momentum. I बराबर L प्लस माइनस यस वेक्टर आई बराबर न्यूक्लियर स्पिन एल बराबर ऑर्बिटल एंगुलर मोमेंटम यस वेक्टर बराबर स्पिन एंगुलर मोमेंटम. द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंटम ड्यू टू प्रोटॉन्स ई एच बार बटा के 2m सफिक्स में p बराबर 4/63 गुणे 10⁻27 एम्पियर प्रति मीटर. द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ड्यू टू न्यूट्रॉन्स ई एच बार बटा के 2m सफिक्स में बराबर 4.63 गुणे 10⁻27 am मीटर स्क्वायर. न्यूक्लियर स्टैटिक्स. इन न्यूक्लियस सिस्टम फॉर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस पार्टिकल आइदर Bose-Einstein statistics or Fermi-Dirac statistics is used. The Fermi-Dirac is used for those particles which have integral spin, while Bose-Einstein is used for those particles which have zero or integral spin. Electric quadrupole moment. In nucleus, the electric quadrupole moment arises due to non-uniform distribution of electric charge. The electric quadrupole moment is the measurement of departure of nucleus from spherical symmetry. Parity. In nucleus, parity is a fundamental nuclear property, and even for a particle for which wave function psi depend on coordinates x, y, z, parity of that nuclear particle will be obtained by inversion coordinate x, y, z. The wave function psi is said to be passes even parity. Psi x, y, z बराबर psi x, y, z even parity. If the wave function psi passes odd parity, then psi x, y, z बराबर माइनस psi x, y, z odd parity. Nuclear force. Nucleus of any system contains neutrons and protons, and they are held together inside in a very small volume. Therefore, to bind them inside the nucleus, a force is required called nuclear force. The properties of nuclear force is discussed below. Nuclear force is attractive. The force required to bind the number of particles, protons and neutrons is attractive in nature. Otherwise, nucleus will be split into their constituent. Nuclear force in short range force. Nuclear force is short range force, and it act in the dimension of 10⁻15 meter nuclear radius. They are attractive and the same n, p, and np. Nuclear force is non-electrostatic in nature. Nuclear force don't depend on charge over nuclear particle, which means same for pp, nn, and pn. Nuclear force is the strongest force among force exist in nature, and they are gravitational force, weak nuclear force, electrostatic force, and strong nuclear force. Nuclear force is non-gravitational force. The nuclear force is non-gravitational in nature, and it is 10⁻40 times greater than gravitational force. The strength of nuclear force is estimated by binding energy. Deuteron nucleus is one of the simplest nucleus which constitute one proton and one neutron, and it is denoted by 1h2, 1d2. Out of them, 1d2 is most common. To study the interaction between neutrons and protons and how nucleons, deuterons is most important. Outer nucleus and it is isotopes of hydrogen atom which consist one proton in nucleus and one electron minus revolving around the nucleus. Binding energy of deuteron. The deuteron's nucleus constitutes one p and one n in it, and the mass of deuteron's nucleus is less than mass its constituent particles. So binding energy is given by m सफिक्स में n बराबर 1.6748 गुणे 10⁻27 kg, m सफिक्स में p बराबर 1.6725 गुणे 10⁻27 kg, m सफिक्स में d बराबर 3.3433 गुणे 10⁻27, e बराबर जेड एम सफिक्स में p प्लस कोष्टक में जेड माइनस जेड कोष्टक वन एम सफिक्स में n कोष्टक वन सी स्क्वायर माइनस एम कोष्टक में जेड माइनस एक कोष्टक वन सी स्क्वायर, ई बराबर कोष्टक में एम सफिक्स में p प्लस एम एन सफिक्स में n माइनस एम सफिक्स में d कोष्टक वन सी स्क्वायर, ई बराबर कोष्टक में 1.6725 प्लस 1.6748 माइनस 3.34433 कोष्टक वन सी स्क्वायर बराबर 0.036 गुणे 10⁻11 बटा के 1.6 गुणे 10⁻19 बराबर 0.0225 गुणे 10⁸ बराबर 2.25 गुणे 10⁶ बराबर 2.25 मेगावोल्ट. सो बाइंडिंग एनर्जी पर न्यूक्लियन बराबर 2.25 बटा के 2 बराबर 1.125 मेगावोल्ट. बाइंडिंग एनर्जी कर्व. The binding energy per nucleus for most of the nuclei is found to be nearly mega electron volt, and a plot of binding energy per nucleus with mass number is shown in figure, in which the binding energy first rises sleeping and at certain peaked for a बराबर 4, 8, 12, 16, and after that it attain the maximum value of 8.79 for 26 Fe56, and after that the curve drawn, and for uranium 92, uranium 238 full stop, it will be 7.9 megavolts. The nuclei near to the atomic mass 56 are stable, and the nuclei A is less than 56 or A is greater than 56 are less than stable. The nuclei having greater mass number and less and binding energy per nucleus is splitted into small fragment custom small nucleus to attain greater binding energy per nucleus. This process is called nuclear fission. Brain bridge mass spectrograph. Spectrograph is a device used for determinants of exact mass number. Mass spectrograph is also used to determine isotope name of element of periodic table. Para a source of ion beam with slit S1 and S2. दूसरा velocity selector which constitute crossed electric and magnetic field mutually perpendicular to each other, and also first two ions beam. The electric field produced by applying potential difference between second plate P1 and P2. The magnetic field of field strength B is produced by electromagnetic. तीसरा an equated chamber D with slit S3 and photographic plate F. Working principle. The ions beam is generated by discharge tube. The collimated by slit S1 and S2 and allow to enter in velocity selector. The electric field for field strength E and magnetic field a field state B are adjusted such that only the ion which base velocity v can pass through it the electric and magnetic force are equivalent E बड़का ई बराबर क्यू वी बी वी बराबर एफ बटा के बी. Only the ions which have velocity v can pass through velocity selector and enter to the equivalent chamber D through slit S3. Full stop. The magnetic field of field stand B it work 1 power r to the path, then the force वर्क ऑन एम वी स्क्वायर बटा के आर बराबर क्यू वी बी डैश एम वी बटा के आर बराबर क्यू वी डैश क्यू बटा के एम बराबर वी बटा के आर बी डैश. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ क्यू बटा के एम बराबर एफ ई बटा के आर बी डैश बराबर ईयर क्यू कामा बी डैश आर कांस्टेंट सो मास एम डिपेंड ऑन रेडियस ऑफ सेमी सर्कुलर path, hence the greater mass element streak of longer distance on photographic plate F. Advantage: the mass scale is linear, therefore results are accurate. दूसरा, the sensitivity may be increased by increasing field strength B and area of chamber D. Brain bridge use chamber D of 0.2 meter and magnetic field of 1.5 t. तीसरा, the brain bridge spectrograph revolving power is more than Stone's mass spectrograph and it can give 10 isotopes of time. 3. Nuclear model. In nuclear, proton and neutron are present inside it, and how these particles are arranged in nucleus can be explained by using nucleus model. There are same nucleus model. पहला liquid drop model, दूसरा semi empirical mass formula, तीसरा cell model and magic number. पहला liquid drop model was first proposed by Niels Bohr and F. Clarke in 1937. In liquid drop model, the properties of liquid drop is compared with atomic mass which are as follow. पहला, the density of liquid drop is independent of its volume, which is very similar to the nuclear density, which is independent of its volume. दूसरा, the attractive F near the number nuclear surface is very similar to the surface tensor of liquid drop. तीसरा, the internal energy of nucleus of binding energy is very similar to the liquid latent heat. चौथा, similar to the nuclear reaction in which several particles like neutrons, protons, alpha particle, beta particle are emitted, which is very similar to the vaporization from liquid droplets. पांचवा, the short life of the compound which is formed by nuclear fusion reaction is similar to conduction of liquid drops. Apart from their similarities, which is successfully explained by this model, there are some properties of nucleus which are not resolved. How long life and short life compound are formed, specific heat and binding energy dependence cannot be explained by using this model, so another model is highly required, which is semi-empirical mass formula. Cell model and magnetic number. पहला magic number. In a number system, protons and neutrons are the building block. In this model, the nuclear particles are there arranged in different cells according to energy, and it is found that a nucleus contains certain number of protons or neutrons or both. Then the stability of nucleus is very high These number are called magic number and there are 2, 8, 20, 28, 50, 82, 126 and semi magic number 2, 6, 14. Properties regarding magic number. पहला, these nucleus containing magic number of proton, neutron, are both are very stable and compared to the those nucleus which contain one or more nucleus. दूसरा, those nucleus which contains magic number have greater number of naturally occurring isotopes. तीसरा, the number of stable isotopes of elements contains magic number of protons or neutrons are both are usually large as compared to the nucleus. Example, organic have 5 isotopes, cadmium Z बराबर 20 have 6 isotopes, Ti Z बराबर 22 and 5 isotopes. The चौथा, naturally occurring isotopes which contains magic number are usually large as compared to their neighboring nucleus. Example, Pb क्वेश्चन में Z बराबर 82 have 7 isotopes as compared to Z बराबर 84 which contains 3 isotopes. पांचवा, the nucleus which contains magic number of 82 82 Pb 206, 82 Pb 207, 82 Pb 208. The first ionization energy is higher in these nucleus system as compared to their neighboring nucleus. Cell model. Similarly to electronics system, the potential energy of nucleon in slide the nucleus is assumed to be 0 and depending on principal quantum number n बराबर 1, 2, 3, 4 the nucleus constitutes different energy level corresponding to which the orbital angular momentum LH बटा 2 pi is obtained where L बराबर 0, 1, 2, 3 since nucleons also have spin motion so their spin angular momentum is SH बटा 2 pi where S बराबर 1 बटा 2 and S बराबर -1/2 depending on spin of nucleus. Due to spin orbital interaction there are L plus 1/2 and J बराबर I minus 1/2 value are obtained in which J बराबर L plus 1/2 value lies between and J बराबर L minus 1/2 lies above. The energy level for diffraction principal quantum number is shown below. Radioactivity is the spontaneous process in which the emission of nuclear particles takes place. The radioactive emission cannot be influenced by physical conditions like temperature, pressure, etc. During radioactive emission of alpha, beta particle have gamma rays from radioactive nucleus. The emitting nucleus system this process continuous till the stable produce is not formed. When the emitted radiation passes through electric field, then alpha particles moves toward negatively charged plate, beta particle moves toward positively charged plate and gamma radiation process under field unaffected. Properties of alpha particle. पहला, alpha particle is usually nucleus of the atoms. When alpha particles emitted from nucleus, then atomic number decreases by 2 unit 8 and mass number decreases by 4 unit. दूसरा, अल्फा पार्टिकल्स इन्फ्लुएंस by external electric or magnetic field. तीसरा, the speed of alpha particles is order of 10⁷ मीटर प्रति सेकंड. चौथा, the ionization power of alpha particle is very high and it is 10⁻31 times in comparison to beta particles and 10⁻6 times in comparison to gamma particles. पांचवा, the penetration power of alpha particle is very high and it is 10⁻³ times in comparison to beta particles and 10⁻⁶ times in comparison to gamma rays. The alpha particle influence fluorescence in photon graphic plates of ZNS. Properties of beta particle. पहला, beta particle is similar to electron minus but they are emitted from nucleons. दूसरा, it is influenced by electric and magnetic field. तीसरा, when beta particles emitted from nucleus then atomic number is increased by unit and mass number do not change. चौथा, the speed of beta particle is order of 10⁸ मीटर प्रति सेकंड but less than speed of light. पांचवा, the ionization power of beta particle is 10⁻³ times in composition to alpha particle but 10⁻³ times in composition to gamma particles. The penetration power of beta particle is 10⁻³ times in comparison to alpha particle but 10⁻³ times in comparison to gamma ray. सातवां, beta particle influence the fluorescence the plate of barium pentinoxide. Properties of gamma rays. Gamma rays, पहला, gamma rays is an electromagnetic radiation and it don't influenced by electric and magnetic field range. It is electric neutral in nature. So during emission of gamma rays there is number charge in atomic and mass number. तीसरा, the speed of gamma rays is greater than alpha and beta particles. चौथा, the penetration power of gamma rays is greater than alpha and beta particles. पांचवा, the ionization power of gamma rays is less than alpha and beta particles. छठवां, it do not produce fluorescence but and give photoelectric effect and Compton effect. Radioactive decay. During radioactive disintegration, the emission of alpha, gamma, beta, gamma particle takes place from the nuclei. Due to emission of one alpha particle, the atomic number of parent nuclei is decreased by 2 unit and mass of number by 4 unit as given by equation. ZXA gives minus alpha z minus 2 by a minus 4. Here ZXA is called parent nuclei. Z minus 2 gamma की पावर a minus 4 is called parent nuclei. Z minus 2 gamma minus a minus 4 is called daughter nuclei. The alpha particle emission is continued till the stable produce is not obtained. During emission of beta particle, the atomic number increases by 1 unit, mass number remains unchanged as shown by equation. Zx की पावर a minus gives zn z plus 1 by a. Here ZXA is called parent nuclei. Z plus 1 XA is called daughter nuclei. The emission of beta particles continue till the stable produce is not obtained. During emission of gamma rays from radioactive nucleus, there will be no change in atomic number and mass number are emitting nuclei, but their energy is rearranged. The emission of alpha, gamma, beta and gamma rays do not take place simultaneously. Rutherford Soddy law of radioactive disintegration. During radioactive disintegration, the emission of alpha, gamma, beta particles or gamma rays takes place, due to which one nucleus system covered into another nucleus system up to the time at which produce is obtained. The radioactive disintegration is parabolic disintegration, which means that which particles will emit first no one can find. Consider probability disintegration. Rutherford and Soddy gives law of radioactivity disintegration, according to which during radioactive disintegration the rate of decay of radioactive nuclei is proportional to the number of nuclei present at that time. At time t बराबर 0 the number of nuclei is n 0 at the t minus t बराबर t is becomes n and times t बराबर t plus alpha t it becomes n minus dn. Therefore the rate of decay of radioactive nuclei according to Rutherford and Soddy law minus dn बटा dt proportional to n minus dn बटा dt बराबर lambda n. Here lambda डी बराबर डी के कॉन्स्टेंट डी एन बटा डी डी एन बटा एन बराबर माइनस लेमडा डी टी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 इंटीग्रेशन बोथ साइड समाकलन डी एन बटा एन बराबर माइनस समाकलन लेमडा डी टी लॉग ई की पावर एन बराबर माइनस लेमडा टी प्लस सी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 एट इनिशियल टी बराबर 0 एन बराबर एन 0 सो फ्रॉम 2 लॉग बेस ई एन सफिक्स 0 बराबर सी तीसरा यूजिंग 2 इन 3 इंटू log n सफिक्स में e बराबर माइनस लेमडा टी प्लस log n सफिक्स में 0 log सफिक्स में e n log बेस e टू n बराबर log n 0 माइनस लेमडा टी log e n माइनस log e n 0 बराबर माइनस लेमडा टी log n बेस e माइनस log n 0 बेस e बराबर माइनस लेमडा टी log बेस e n बटा के n 0 बराबर माइनस लेमडा टी n बटा के n सफिक्स में 0 तो बराबर ई के पावर माइनस लेमडा टी एन बराबर एन 0 ई के पावर माइनस लेमडा टी बराबर टी सफिक्स में ए बराबर सम ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ एटम्स बटा के टोटल नंबर ऑफ एटम एट टाइम में टी बराबर 0 एन बराबर एन सफिक्स में 0 एट टाइम टी बराबर टी एन बराबर एट टाइम टी बराबर टी प्लस डी टी एन बराबर एन माइनस डी एन. सो द सम ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ ऑल एटम्स बराबर समाकलन टी बराबर 0 टू टी बराबर इन्फिनिटी टी इंटू डी एन. द एवरेज लाइफ टाइम टी सफिक्स में ए बराबर समाकलन 0 टू इन्फिनिटी टी इंटू डी एन बटा के एन सफिक्स में 0 समीकरण नंबर 1 फ्रॉम लॉ ऑफ रेडियोएक्टिविटी डिसइंटीग्रेशन एन बराबर एन सफिक्स में 0 ई के खाते माइनस लेमडा टी डिफरेंशिएटिंग एबव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी डी एन बटा डी टी बराबर माइनस लेमडा एन सफिक्स में 0 ई के पावर माइनस लेमडा टी डी एन बराबर माइनस लेमडा एन सफिक्स में 0 ई के खाते माइनस लेमडा टी और डी टी समीकरण नंबर 2 1/2 बराबर ई के खाते माइनस लेमडा टी हाफ 2 बराबर ई के खाते लेमडा टी हाफ log बेस ई 2 बराबर लेमडा टी 1/2 टेस्ट टू लेमडा टी हाफ माइनस बराबर 2.303 गुणे 10 खाते बेस 10 इंटू 2 लेमडा टी 1/2 बराबर 2.303 गुणे 0.310 लेमडा टी हाफ बराबर 0.693 टी हाफ बराबर 0.693 बटा के लेमडा. एवरेज लाइफ और मीन लाइफ इन ए रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंस एटम्स आर कंटिन्यूअसली डिसइंटीग्रेट एंड इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू फाइंड that which atoms will disintegrate first and which atoms in last. So the lifetime of any atoms can be 0 or infinite. Hence we use average lifetime of atom. The average lifetime is defined as the relation of sum of life time of all atoms to the total number of atoms. It is given by equation 2 in equation 1 t सफिक्स में q बराबर समाकलन 0 to infinity t लेमडा n सफिक्स में a e के बाद माइनस लेमडा t इंटू dt बटा के n 0 निगलेक्टिंग माइनस साइन बराबर लेमडा क्वेश्चन में 0 to infinity t इंटू e के बाद माइनस लेमडा t dt बराबर लेमडा क्वेश्चन में t इंटू e के बाद माइनस लेमडा टी बटा के माइनस लेमडा 0 to infinity समाकलन 0 to infinity ई खत्म माइनस लेमडा टी बटा के माइनस लेमडा इंटू डी टी बराबर लेमडा कोष्टक में टी इंटू ई के बाद माइनस लेमडा टी बटा के माइनस लेमडा कोष्टक डब्बा 1 0 to infinity बराबर प्लस 1 बाई लेमडा कोष्टक में माइनस ई के कहते माइनस लेमडा टी बटा माइनस लेमडा डब्बा 1 0 टू इन्फिनिटी बराबर माइनस क्वेश्चन में टी इंटू ई कहते माइनस लेमडा टी डब्बा 1 0 टू इन्फिनिटी माइनस 1 बाई लेमडा क्वेश्चन में ई कहते माइनस लेमडा टी डब्बा 1 0 टू इन्फिनिटी यूजिंग लिमिट द फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी 0 बराबर माइनस 1 बाई लेमडा क्वेश्चन में 0 माइनस 1 टी सफिक्स में ए बराबर 1 बाई लेमडा रिलेशन बिटवीन एवरेज लाइफ एंड हाफ लाइफ द एवरेज लाइफ टी सफिक्स में ए बराबर 1 बाई लेमडा एंड हाफ लाइफ टी सफिक्स में 1/2 बराबर 10.693 बटा के लेमडा सो टी सफिक्स में ए बटा 1/2 टी 1/2 बराबर 1 बाई लेमडा बटा के 0.693 बटा के टी सफिक्स में ए बराबर 1 हाफ बटा 0.693 डब्बा बंद रेडियो एक्टिव growth and decay are law of successive radioactive disintegration. During radioactive disintegration, the process of chain disintegration takes place. First of if means that a radioactive substance question parent disintegrated to another substance question daughter which further disintegrate into the another substance gamma d n 2 बटा dt बराबर लेमडा 1 n 0 ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 1 टी माइनस लेमडा 2 एन 2 डी एन 2 बटा डी टी बराबर लेमडा 2 एन 2 बराबर लेमडा 1 एन 0 ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 1 डी टी बोथ साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाई ई खाते लेमडा 2 टी डी एन 2 बटा डी टी इंटू ई खाते लेमडा 2 डी टी प्लस लेमडा 2 एन 2 ई खाते लेमडा 2 इंटू टी बराबर लेमडा 1 एन सफिक्स में 0 ई खाते लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 का स्क्वायर डी बाई डी टी एन क्वेश्चन में एन 2 इंटू ई खाते लेमडा 2 टी डब्बा 1 बराबर लेमडा 1 एन 0 ई खाते लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 टी नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस विथ टी एन 2 इंटू ई खाते लेमडा 2 टी बराबर लेमडा 1 एन 0 बटा के एल 2 माइनस एल 1 इंटू ई खाते लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 टी डब्बा 1 प्लस सी आंसर नंबर 1 where c is constant of integration here at time t बराबर 0 n 2 बराबर 0 so from equation 1 0 बराबर क्वेश्चन में l लेमडा 1 n 0 बटा के l2 माइनस l1 इंटू ई के खाते 0 प्लस सी सी बराबर माइनस डब्बा में लेमडा 1 n 0 बटा के l2 माइनस l1 नंबर 2 यूजिंग इक्वेशन 2 इन इक्वेशन 1 वी गेट l n 2 इंटू ई के खाते लेमडा 2 टी बराबर लेमडा 1 n 0 बटा के l2 माइनस लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 इंटू ई के खाते लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 टी माइनस लेमडा 1 n 0 बटा के लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 टेंस टू n 2 इंटू ई के खाते लेमडा 2 टी बराबर लेमडा n 0 बटा के n 2 लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 डब्बा 1 ई के खाते लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 टी minus 1 when t is much greater than t2 then t1 is tend to infinity t2 is tend to 0 then the half life of parent is much larger than daughter so lambda 1 is much less than lambda 2 therefore lambda 2 is minus lambda 1 बराबर lambda 2 and e power minus lambda 1 t बराबर 1 by using इक्वेशन ऑफ सक्सेसिव डिसइंटीग्रेशन n2 बराबर लेमडा 1 इंटू n 0 बटा लेमडा 2 माइनस लेमडा 1 क्वेश्चन में ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 1 टी माइनस ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 2 टी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 यूजिंग मेंशन कंडीशन इन इक्वेशन 1 वी हैव n2 बराबर लेमडा 1 n 0 बटा लेमडा 2 डब्बा 1 माइनस ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 2 टी आफ्टर ए लॉन्ग टाइम ई खाते माइनस लेमडा 2 टी टर्म्स विल be negligible then here lambda 1 n1 is rate of decay of parent substance while lambda 2 n2 is rate of decay of daughter substance example the conversion of radium r सब्सिस में a into random r सब्सिस में n by मिशन ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल 88 आर ए के बाद 226 टाइम्स 2 86 आर एन का 222 प्लस अल्फा ट्रांसिएंट इक्विलिब्रियम अनदर टाइप ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम एग्जिस्ट इन विच व्हेन पेरेंट सब्सटेंस इज लॉन्गर life than data substance lambda 1 is less than lambda 2, but the half life of parent substance is not very long, so lambda 1 can be 0 under this case. After sufficiently long time, lambda e के घात minus lambda 2 t will be negligible. Then from equation of successive n2 बराबर lambda 1 n0 बटा के lambda 2 minus lambda 1 e के घात minus lambda 1 t n2 बराबर lambda 1 बटा के l2 lambda 2 minus lambda 1 बराबर n1. फार्मूला n2 बटा के n1 बराबर lambda 1 minus lambda 2 minus lambda 1 बराबर 1. The type of equilibrium is called transient equilibrium. Number of atoms increasing times. Theory of alpha decay. The alpha particles are emitted from radioactive nuclei, and these particles are nucleus of helium atom 2He4. Therefore, it was assumed that whole nucleus is constructed by alpha and beta particles, such that during emission of alpha particle the similar emission takes place and electron. But when electron emitted from any atom, then a change developed over that atoms. But during emission of alpha particle, the charge is not observed nucleus, so this theory is failed to explain the emission of alpha particle. For successful explanation, consider the alpha particle is it within the nucleus, and it must be act with strong nucleus force under a short range filter inside the nucleus. The Colombian force is negligible, but once alpha particle reaches at the surface of nucleus, then Colombian force act over alpha particle. The Colombian energy बराबर 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2 क्वेश्चन में z बार z minus 2 क्वेश्चन 1 e square बटा के r. Here z is number of protons so outside the surface. The Colombian potential energy holds, but this is not the clear explanation for emission of alpha particle. So another theory was emission of alpha particle, which penetrate the barrier, and after emission of alpha particle the increased energy of parent nuclei is stabilized by emission of gamma rays. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2018 दिया हुआ है थ्योरी ऑफ बीटा डीके. व्हेन बीटा पार्टिकल इमिटेड फ्रॉम radioactive nucleus, then atomic number of data emitted element increased by 1 unit and mass number remains same. Since the nucleus is positively charged and there is number negative charge inside the nucleus, so the emission of alpha particle takes place within plus positive charge, but beta particle negatively charged. So this theory failed to explain the emission of beta particle. The another mode of emission of beta particle is Yukawa theory on the concept of meson pi, according to which a neutron is converted into a proton and a beta particle. The proton increases the atomic number of daughter nuclei 1 n0 times to 1 n1 plus 0 2 minus beta minus 1 plus pi 0. Theory of gamma decay. The gamma ray is electromagnetic radiation, and it is reflected in electric and magnetic field. This ray is electrically neutral in nature. The emission of gamma ray is the result of emission of alpha and beta particles. When alpha or beta particles emitted from nucleus, then the nucleus will remain in excited state, and by removal its energy in the form of gamma decay, the nucleus goes down to the ground state. The study of gamma decay depends on accurate measurement of energy of gamma ray, and it is obtained by crystal lattice vibration. When the lattice point vibrate and produce diffraction pattern, because wavelength of gamma decay is is very small as compared to dimension of crystal lattice. The another method are photoelectric effect and Compton effect are properties of gamma rays.